In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace in a simple, step-by-step manner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have seamlessly integrated these two platforms, allowing you to manage transactions effectively and optimize your online business operations. To begin, you'll need to head to the Squarespace website. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Squarespace, make sure to have your username and password handy. For those familiar with the platform, logging in should feel straightforward and intuitive, but if you encounter any issues, try resetting your password or contacting Squarespace support. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to proceed. Once on the Squarespace dashboard, locate the section labeled Content and Memberships. Clicking here will lead you to an array of settings that focus on managing the content and subscriptions that your site offers. With Squarespace's user-friendly interface, navigating to this section should be a breeze. Take a moment to review these options to familiarize yourself with any recent changes or updates. Next, you'll want to find the gear icon or settings menu. Frequently, this icon can indicate where you can adjust a variety of site-wide settings. Upon clicking it, you'll notice a drop-down menu or a new page where you need to select Payment Options. This section is where you handle everything related to your site's transactions, from accepting payments to adjusting method options. It's critical to ensure these settings reflect how you plan to conduct business and collect payments from clients or customers. After you've navigated to the payment options, you'll see an option to connect with Stripe. Click on Connect for Stripe to start the integration process. This action will prompt a seamless connection between your Squarespace site and your Stripe account. For many, this is where the real power of merging these two platforms becomes apparent, as Stripe provides scalable payment processing abilities. Following this, Squarespace will guide you through a verification process. This step is crucial as it ensures both security and proper setup of the integration. During the verification, you'll be asked to provide crucial account-related information, like business details and your bank account for payouts. It's essential to have this information accurate and up-to-date to avoid any payment issues in the future. Once the verification process is complete, you'll be prompted to log in to Stripe. Use your existing Stripe credentials, or if you're new to Stripe, follow the instructions to create an account. Logging into Stripe finalizes the connection, allowing you to manage and customize your payment options directly from your Squarespace dashboard. With everything set up, your Squarespace site is now connected to Stripe, ready to process payments and help you manage your online business more efficiently. Congratulations on completing this integration, which is a huge step towards achieving a more streamlined and professional online presence. Thank you for watching and happy selling.